Hi guys, it's Dee. Welcome back as we get our kitchen cleaned in 10 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hi guys. Listen, I know that a lot of times you get really tired and you do not want to get started on a kitchen. And the kitchen can definitely be overwhelming. However, I'm going to help you tackle this dirty kitchen in 10 minutes. So, first, let's take a look at the overall kitchen and all the different things that you need to get done. First thing I want to say is go ahead and just start with everything that you need close by you, like your gloves, your dish detergent, and all those different things that you need in order to clean up your kitchen. After you do that, then you need to assess, what do I need to do? Do I need to unload the dishwasher? Do I need to run some hot water? What do I need to do? In this case, I am putting a lot of things away, things that need to go back to their place. And as you can see, there are some areas of my home that is organized. However, sometimes what I find is that things are not put in the right place. However, it's okay. So you don't have to be perfect. You just have to work on being better. So putting those utensils away is essential to making sure that you allow yourself an opportunity to get those things out of the way so that you can begin to look at those things in the areas that need to be tackled, and you need to put those items up. Also, what you want to make sure that you do is you load the dishwasher, right? After you empty it. It's important and essential that you do that and that you also assess, hey, is this going to work for me? Am I going to be able to get it done in 10 minutes? I could tell you that I got this kitchen from where it is now to what you'll see at the very end in 10 minutes. So I'll stop talking for now and I'll let you enjoy the video, and then I'll come back. Hey guys, as you can see, I hope you're still watching. Tackling this kitchen was not an easy task. However, what you're going to see here is that, listen, it's going to take time. However, 10 minutes is what I promised you, and 10 minutes is what I did it in. It took me about 5 minutes to get everything loaded into the dishwasher, to get the dishwasher unloaded, and also working on some large items that don't normally go into the dishwasher. And you'll see that as I'm working on these items, I'm panning out to the rest of the kitchen in order to ensure that, hey, I'm going to make sure that these items go back in the areas that I normally put them in. Hey, guess what? My Pilates is working as I'm trying to lose some weight. But as you can see, everything in the kitchen has a place, and this works well. One, when I'm cooking, and two, when I am cleaning up, because I know where these things go, as well as when my husband is in the kitchen. He oftentimes will put things in the correct place because he can see that there are other like items there. And so as I make my way around the kitchen, I always want to make sure that one, I'm putting the things where they need to go, and then two, I can easily access them, I'm sorry, when I need to get them. Also, you're going to see that in this video, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the cooktop, and because I know that that would take additional time, and I can really save that for another day. I don't have to do everything. Remember, I said it does not have to be perfect. And so now it's time to tackle this nasty sink. I want to make sure that I get all things out of the sink. And sorry for blocking the camera at that time. But I love using this spray on uh, cleaner in order to clean these items. You don't need any water. I always use gloves because I do suffer from dry skin on my hands. And so I find that it's best for me to use gloves when I'm trying to wash anything, whether I'm cleaning up something around the house or either I'm cleaning dishes or pots or anything like that. I do love this no water contact, and you can use it to rinse. Now, I don't always use it. I do have liquid Dawn under the sink, as well as I do have some type of I also have a soap dispenser off to the right, as you can see, and I'll sometimes use the liquid Dawn in order to wash the sink and to also use it on the dishes and things like that. But in this case, one of the things that I love to do, which I've noticed as I've gotten older, is that a lot of manufacturers ask that you do not put your knifeware into the dishwasher because it does rust, it does tarnish. And so one of the things that I did that my husband actually requested is that he did request that we get these different knives. And so in order to preserve the handles of the knifeware, the what we've done is I find myself washing them by hand so that they're not overloaded in the dishwasher. So just make sure that you're always checking your utensils as well as your cookie, as well as your knife gear to find out if it is dishwasher safe. And if it's not, what it means is that all that water is definitely may cause an issue. Now, after you clean, I've done this several different ways. I have used another YouTuber's half vinegar and also half water in order to clean the countertop. However, in this case, I am using just plain old soap water this time. And I think I did it because that stuff had actually been on the counter for a couple of days. Both my husband and I work, and so sometimes we will use our countertops as like just a dumping ground in order to just leave things. And so getting around and wiping down the countertop is important because one, a lot of times we'll grab snacks or either we'll be eating here and we want to make sure that we're safe when we are eating. And so wiping down your countertops is part of this 10-minute time limit in which I know that you can get your areas clean. So don't neglect those areas. Wipe down around your sink because you know you have mold and sometimes you'll have dirt around there. And so using a dry cloth in order to make sure your items are nice and secure and soft will allow you to put them in the areas quicker rather than them drying on a drying mat, which is something I don't have. I used to have one, but I don't now that I use a dishwasher regularly. All right, we'll just keep watching. And see. Well, guys, this cleaning session is coming to an end. I am finishing just wiping down the countertop as well as some last minute things. Please don't allow yourself to become overwhelmed with the fact that, hey, this just looks so overwhelming, so I can ignore it. All right, guys, enjoy and please share, like, and subscribe. Take care.